You got the vendor address information. You've got why it's on hold, and then you've got the other header information here on the left. Your center section is your commenting and directing information. So you can comment to various individuals within the site, including the vendor if you need to. If you have vendor portal enabled, you can even email directly to the vendor and ask the vendor questions. You can redirect invoices. So you can send the invoice to somebody's queue so it shows up on their My Task page. You can also leave a set of standard comments. And in here, it's just comments that you regularly enter that will pre-fill for you, so you don't have to type it in every time. It's a little bit of a time savings. Your middle section is your comment history. As you can see, this goes all the way back to July of last year, and it has gone through several different updates and overrides. All of that is recorded within the system. So all of that information, regardless of who it is, when it was done, what the hold was, what the comment was, it's going to be recorded within the system. So at any time, you can go back to the invoice and you can find out what happened with it.